Good morning students! Welcome to English lesson with me, Miss Anissa Putri. There is using this singular noun. There are is useful plural nouns yang lebih dari satu benda. Today we are going to study about there is and there are. What is the meaning of there is and there are? That's right, ada. Yang arti there is dan there are itu sendiri adalah ada. There is using for singular noun. There are is using for plural noun yang lebih dari satu benda. Sedangkan yang there is tadi digunakan untuk satu benda. There are untuk lebih dari satu benda. I want to show you how to using there is and there are with some toys. These are some toys. There are transportation. Ini adalah beberapa mainan-mainan yang berupa alat transportasi. This is bus. This is bus. This is helicopter. Helicopter. This is a car. This is car. This is fighter. Fighter. And the last one, I have a train. And I have 4 carriage. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 carriage on train. I have a red car. I have a green car. I have a yellow car. I have a purple car. I have a black car. And I have a blue car. Now, I want to explain about there is and there are with some toys. There is a car. Ada sebuah mobil. Because mobilnya hanya satu. There are 2 cars. Ada 2 buah mobil. Karena mobilnya ada 2, jadi gunakan there are. There are some cars. Ada beberapa mobil. Karena mobilnya ada banyak, maka kita gunakan some. Dan jika bendanya lebih banyak, maka kita gunakan many. Jadi ada there are many or there are some. For example like this. There are some cars. Negative sentence. There are not any cars. Interrogative sentence-nya, are there any cars? Yes, there are. No, there aren't or there are not. Jadi ingat ya, penggunaan any and some-nya, tempatkan tempatnya di positive sentence some. Untuk negatif dan interrogatifnya adalah any. Nah, untuk menjawab yes or no-nya, kalian gunakan yes, there are because mobilnya ada banyak. Sedangkan tadi yang untuk there is or singular noun, yes there is, no there isn't, or no there is not. For example like this, there is a car. Negative sentence-nya, there is not a car. Interrogative sentence-nya, is there a car? Yes there is, no there isn't.
In the other case, there is not for singular noun, but for uncountable noun. Jadi, there is itu juga bisa digunakan untuk uncountable noun atau kata benda yang tidak bisa kita hitung jumlahnya. For example, like sugar, water, oil, and so on. And quantifiers-nya is much, little, a lot, and some. For example, like there is much sugar. Ada banyak gula. There is a lot of water. Ada banyak air. Meanwhile, there are is using for countable noun. Jadi there are digunakan untuk kata benda yang bisa dihitung like 3, 4, and so on. And quantifiers-nya juga sama, many, few, a lot, and some. Bedanya hanya there is tadi dia difungsikan sebagai uncountable noun, sedangkan ini countable noun. For example, like there are many cars, ada banyak mobil. There are a lot of fighters, ada banyak pesawat tempur. I wanna give you another example like there is a helicopter because helikopternya pada gambar hanya ada satu. There are two helicopters because pada gambarnya terlihat ada dua helikopter. Nah, jangan lupa untuk penggunaan there are itu tambahin s in the end of the word, di akhir katanya. Now it's example about uncountable and countable noun. There is much sugar. Ada banyak gula. There are some buses. Karena bus itu bisa dihitung jumlahnya, maka kita gunakan there are. Dan kalau bus itu ditambahin is di belakang karena bentuknya jamak. And this is example of using positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. You must add not in negative sentence. Ini penggunaan untuk kalimat positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. Dan jika di kalimat negatif, kalian hanya cukup tambahin not-nya saja. Dan jangan lupa, some itu harus diganti menjadi any in negative and interrogative sentence.
Okay, I think enough about my explanation today about there is and there are. But if you still confused, you can repeat this video. Jadi saya rasa sudah cukup penjelasannya sampai di sini tentang there is dan there are. Jika kalian masih bingung, kalian bisa mengulang kembali video ini tersebut. Never get bored and tired to learn every day and always keep your healthy. Goodbye students, have a great day.